all right, people. All right, people. And there's nobody on here just yet. Obviously, let me put in Insta. Pardon me. Don't know what's going on with that. Let me just put this on Insta, see if anybody wants to join, and then we're going to get straight in. Straight into the chat, straight into the charts. Talk about what happened yesterday. I think I want to go long dollar. CAD looks really good. Might get in now. See what happens. Gonna get started in a minute, guys. Just doing something quickly. I really want to get into this position. I want to get long. I want to get long dollar. Big time. Yeah. And I love how brilliant. Anyway, I want to get long dollar. Maybe now. Right. Let's have a butchers. Tell me who's in the chat. Okay, so what we're looking at, basically, I'm going to turn the music just down a little nudge because it is at 5. There you go. Okay, so what am I looking at? I'm looking at dollar to go up. We've had a little bit of bullish momentum. We're pushing up. I think we're going to come up to this level, this point of origin. So what am I doing? I'm either shorting the pound or the euro, or I'm going long on one of these. Now, I think USD CAD is going to be a good one, if I'm honest. Economic calendar. I've spot that totally wrong. Let's have a look. Nothing major coming out. So I reckon we're good. I'm going to go long with yen. %. It's going to be a good day today. I can feel it. I feel like there's going to be some volatile moves. We'll talk about what happened yesterday because we got yesterday's trades on point. I'm just going to see what we're going to do with this. So CAD, am I going to go with that one? Yeah, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe in New York after the day sets up. I'm still not sure if I'm honest. Still not sure. So yesterday we actually had this mover. We had the break of this level right here. So we had a break of that level, pushed down, came back into this area of demand, slight push, and now I think this is like a double bottom. I do think we're going to push up from here. There's no reason why not. We've already had a nice push. I think we're going to take out these and come up and take those highs. We just need a good entry. That looks already really, really, really nice, to be honest. Let's see what's going on with this. New York could set up really nicely, but I think we're going to see most of the movements in London, to be honest. We're going to see those nice little movements on London. Then from there, we'll test and see what happens if things get taken out. And if things get taken out, that's great. Certain levels get taken out, break, retest continuations to the other side of the ranges. That would be perfect as well. Let's see what yen's doing quickly. See if we can get that push up. Quite heavy in yen, actually. Yeah. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Yeah, it's moving a little bit slow, but you do have things like CAD, dollar. CAD's already moving. Yeah, CAD's already pushed up, already moving. Let's see if we can get that little bit more of a push on this. We had a retest of these highs pre-break, and a 50 and an EMA. So I've gone into this a little bit heavy. In all fairness. Oh, that's a beautiful trade. That's a really nice trade. Yeah, yesterday's gold trade was fantastic. I actually closed out a little bit before this. I actually closed out on this area here. So I closed that trade right there. The reason being, to be honest, is yeah, I shouldn't have closed it. There's no reason to close it. But it was just getting stuck in this area of supply, and I was just like, look, don't really want to hold it, so closed it off. It was a nice trade. It was not a bad trade at all. We netted just over 1%, so 1.5%. Overall, it was a pretty standard trade. pushed up, come back down, come back into this area of demand, we can see if it holds. I don't know if it's going to hold. We're in a lot of, we've had a break up above all of this range, and now we're just retesting the top of it. So I wouldn't be surprised if this does hold, to be honest. Morning, mate. Morning, mate. So we're actually long the dollar at the moment. So first long the dollar against the yen. That is the trade idea. I've got one take profit that's going to be taking the highs, and another take profit that's going to be taken up here. That's what I think is going to happen. We've had a break, close above all of these highs as well. Even though it's only a little bit, we still closed above it. I'm soft on GU longs again. Interesting. I can understand why. Come back down into this level. If this breaks, if it breaks up like this, gets acceptance, I think, you're aiming for some really nice long trades, super nice long trades. But it needs to, I think it's still got a little bit more consolidation in it. Okay, is yen giving me that push up? CAD would have been the better trade, to be honest. I think I was a little bit too heavy on USD yen, just because it's already up on the day. Yeah, it's a difficult one, to be honest. We're just really in. Yeah, so you can look at this as we've had a downtrend. I know it's not a big downtrend, but it's a 15-minute downtrend. We've broken it. Now we're coming back to retest. And if this does break again, well, you should expect that we're going to come back up to the top of this leg. It could take a minute. It could take a hot minute. Pound yen. Let's have a look at pound yen. So I'm long the yen right now, and yen looks weak across the board. So this is good. Yen looks weak across the board, and dollar is strong. So that's why I've gone long USD dollar, USD yen. Can get that nice aggressive push. I'll be a very, very happy boy. So we're up $30 right now. Not $30, $300. I do think we're going to push up, especially up to these later levels. Euro's breaking down. The only thing is we're breaking down on this level that, it's been, spiked so many times. If we get later in the session and we do something, like that and comes back in, then you just I'd want to be watching for that to happen. Thing is, the Dixie's just pushing up. Look at that. That's just your savage break, retest, continuation with momentum. I think the next place we're going to find a little bit of traction is here. So I'll just be a little bit careful with my trade, just because I'm risking quite heavy on it. If we come up here, we may find a little bit of stickiness. And if we get something like that, then we just got to watch out for that. maybe get short if that happens. If that doesn't happen and we push through, then I think we're just looking at that area, which is the 90 something area, 98 area. Pound in the range, probably come back down to these lows right here. Range again in this pennant. If it's a pennant, it doesn't really look like it, but at the moment we're just ranging. Then again, on a lower time frame intraday, you can get some savage trades. Gold look more clear for a short. Let's have a look. Yeah, so break, retest, continuation. The only thing is that we look like we're short right now in a heavy area of demand. So this could easily turn into a trap and easily just start, pushing back up. Like, if after this move down, we're not getting that momentum that really takes us down, and it just starts pausing and becoming really slow, I would watch out for that. At the moment, it looks like we're pulling up a little bit of momentum. But let's say gold starts doing something like that, then I'd be looking to long it, to be honest. That USD CAD trade was so nice. I should have taken that. Yeah, you're keeping it tight, man. That's fine. You're looking for that sniper entry. Yeah, I can see that. Let's have a look at the yen. Is it getting a bit sticky? Missed trades are like buses. There's always another one on the corner. That's what I said yesterday. I fumbled yesterday because I was long GU. Here. I was long GU here, and I had a nice bit of size on, nice bit of risk, aiming for the top of there, and I decided to close here. So I fumbled a really nice trade. That being said, let's have a look. What are these doing? The CAD as well. So if you remember yesterday, we talked about, okay, if we were going to break this, we're going to go short. I didn't take the short. Even though I planned to take the short, I didn't. So missed trades, very, very, very annoying, but they do happen. See where the Dixie's at, if it's already pushed up. No, we've still got room. Yeah, probably my backside, because I was way too heavy in the trade. I had about 50 lots in, and my stop was fairly tight, and I didn't want to give back most of the profits that I already made in a day. So it was more psychological more than anything. There was no reason in the technical structure for me to actually close it. It was literally just, oh my God, I'm too heavy in this trade. I don't want to give back all my profits. Have I considered a community yet? Um, mm, I don't know, maybe, but yeah. At the moment, I'm just trying to focus on the trading. To be fair, just focus on the trading. I've got a big milestone that I want to hit first, which is basically six figures payouts. As soon as I get six figures payouts, then maybe we'll see about doing other things. But okay, so yen's holding, yen's pushing up again. We've had that break retest. Let's see if it can hold. I really can see this area of supply getting taken. I can really see it coming back to that origin. If that does happen, I'm going to be a very, 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 very happy boy. Very happy boy. But I can't get greedy. That is one of the biggest issues that I see with myself and with traders. You can get into a really good position and it run, and then you get greedy, and then you round trip the whole thing. And that's a problem. That's a problem that I deal with a lot. Okay, we're getting that nice push. Don't know why I've got FOMO on that CAD trade. Why didn't I take that CAD trade? Such FOMO. Anyway. So we're getting currently stuck at a 50 fib to the downside. So 50 fib at resistance. If we can push through this, we're fine. We could struggle. We could struggle. There's no reason why, but we could do it. I was scolded yesterday about always trading partials. If you want to trade partials and that's the way that you make money, man, don't listen to any wally that tells you not to do it. Honestly. That's the way that you make money. Tell whoever tried to tell you otherwise to do one. There's no right or wrong way to do it. As long as you can come in and you can take more than you give. If you're taking more money from the market than you're giving it, and you feel comfortable doing partials, then do it. The reason why I don't personally take partials is one, because my risk to reward isn't that much anyway. It's 1 to 2. Taking partials on the way, I would only take maybe. I just prefer just taking the whole thing off. But again, that's just personal. That's just personal preference. I'm wondering, actually, Jones, who scolded you for that? Who told you that it was bad doing partials? mate. And that was a screamer as well. I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, I'm just marking out all the potential areas of resistance, potential areas of support. Next level would be this one. If we can get through that one, then we're good for these. Marking out potential points. My yen is getting a bit slow. You can always tell where somebody is in their trading if they're turning around to another trader and telling them that's not the way to trade. Right, seriously. I've seen so many different traders. Traders have negative risk to reward, traders that trade indicators, traders that do all different types of things. You can make anything work as long as you've got the thing in between your ears working and you're not making big mistakes. Yes, we've got a scaling plan. After 3 months, we give you 25% extra. So as long as you've made profits over the 3 months, we'll give you 25% extra in the account. So if you've got a 100K account, then obviously we're going to give you an extra 25K. We're going to get C Trader soon as well, because I trade C Trader and it will be so much easier for me to copy all my trades. TradeLock is good. It's basic. It does everything. It does everything one could want. But yeah, I know. I'm looking at it. I'm paying very, very, very close attention. Very close attention. But if we look, where are we? We're under all of these EMAs. We have had acceptance above the EMAs. So there's like a 50-50 chance that we come up to get this 200 right here. If we can hold, that could be a nice long trade, but there's a lot of things going against it, you know? There's a lot of reasons why it would more likely come down to take this low. But I'm paying attention because my yen trade is still it's still not pushing properly. It's stuck. Oh, should have gone for the USD CAD. Why? Why would I not go for the USD CAD? Seriously. Oh, mate. Why would I not go for the USD CAD? Such an obvious trade to do. Come on. Let's get some momentum. Come on. Oh. Okay, we're getting momentum. We're getting a lot of momentum. Holy shit. Oh shit, we're pushing. Oh shit, we're pushing. Oh, damn, son. Oh, we're pushing. I don't know if I'm just too far into the chart and it looks like it's absolutely pumping, or it is pumping. Oh no, it's pumping. We're going for it, baby. Oh yes. Oh, this is great. Oh, this is great. Go on. Push. Keep pushing. Oh, I love listening to drum and bass where price action's pumping up. Let's have a look at that pound. Savage. Come on. Let's get some more momentum. This is where we want it to be really decisive. We don't want it to start slowing down right now after a pump like that. We want continuation. Continuation of the pump. Yes. USD CAD is the one, you know, I saw it. I really wanted to get in it. I got into USD yen instead. Holy shit, man. Yeah. I told you USD today would be shooting up. Oh, 5% up in my funded account. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to go because I've got a meeting. But I will see you guys soon, and hopefully, by the time I come back for the New York session, we're already pumped up and we would have taken out that high, and we're going to be looking at some savage profits because we're up 1.5% at the moment, which is good. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you're here for the New York session just to see what has happened, and good luck with your trading today, guys. All right, bye.